Hi guys, it's Cindy here from Hooked on Crafts, and today I'm going to be sharing a 10 card, 1 paper pack video with you on the Doodlebugs paper pack So Punny. I think these papers are just adorable, and the little add-ons make card making very simple. So now I'm going to show you the paper pack, and you can kind of see all the papers here. This is the little 6x6 paper pad that I received. And I'm going to kind of flip through it and you can kind of take a look. These are double-sided papers, and it had tons of cutouts and one sheet that had the little strips on them, although I didn't use them in this video. I probably will as I make some more cards. I did also purchase the little add-ons that go with it. These are the odds and ends pack that goes with it with all the little die cuts. There's 111 pieces in this, and they all are so cute. And then I also purchased the little Chit Chat pack for $4.99. And it just has cute little punny sayings that go with the die cuts. And these two things make this card making video super easy. Here's just all the die cuts laid out. And again, there were so many pieces, I couldn't even get them all in the shot. And here's all the little sayings. I kind of went through and separated them. For our first card, we're going to be using our little gnomes. And I do a lot of my inspiration from some sketches that I found on Pinterest, so you'll see some of those throughout the same video. I love you no matter what. How cute, right? And for card number 2, I'm using the little typewriter, and I just ran some cardstock down the side of my paper, and I created a little framelit there. I put that in the center, or towards the bottom rather, and I popped it up with some foam tape. And the sentiment says, "You're just my type." Again, these cards went together so fast. For card number 3, I am using the little sewing machine, and I'm sorry I forgot to record this one in time lapse, so it does take a little bit longer, but you can kind of see how I'm putting my frames together here. And I use glue for a lot of my things because it just makes it easier for me to center them and get them on there nice. I have a little more time and a little more wiggle room. So I'm just going to adhere my frame there in the center of my card. And again, I'm using glue because it makes it easier for me as a new card maker to get things in the center. And it's not so permanent once you stick it down. If I make a mistake, I can kind of adjust a little bit easier. I'm putting my sewing machine in the middle. And I wanted to use some of the elements that I haven't seen a lot of other people use. This card kit comes with so many different die cuts that I probably will be able to make at least 20 more cards, if not more. So I wanted to share some of the ones that I hadn't seen other people share. And I'm just putting my little thread down and a little heart there on the end of the sewing machine. And this card reads, "I love you so much." For card number 4, I'm going to be using the little cuckoo clock. I'm just putting a couple stripes of paper there in the center and then one down the middle going long ways for my cuckoo clock to sit on. Trimming off the excess. I'm going to pop my little cuckoo clock up and his little sentiment there. Attaching it to my card base, and this one reads, "I'm cuckoo for you." How cute. For card number 5, this is one I am taking straight from Pinterest because I believe this was one of the design team's designs for this set, and I just adored it, and I had someone in mind to give this one to. So I'm just making a couple mats with the different types of paper there, adding the little tomatoes, and it says, "We must catch up." Can't wait to send that one out. For card number 6, I am using the little radishes. I just love this little one with the sunglasses there. I'm popping him up, both of them, and the sentiment, it says, "You look radishing." For card number 7, I'm just creating a little banner, running it down the center of my card base. And I'm making my frame for my little socks to go in, attaching the little frame there, popping up my socks, and adding the sentiment, attaching it to the card base. Again, I'm using glue because it gives me a little more wiggle room. Adding a few little hearts for embellishments. I didn't do a ton of embellishments because these are going to a children's hospital and I didn't want to make choking hazards. It says we're the perfect pair. For card number 8, I'm going to be using the little sweet peas, and I'm just running a couple banners down the side of this card base, one in bright green and one in the little plaid paper that I received in this kit. I'm putting my frame together there, and I just love the two little peas that are like bouncing out of the pea pod. I'm popping all of this up. And the sentiment on this one reads, "You make me happy." And then this one did have a little banner that I decided to use on the inside. It says, "Peas be mine." Thought it turned out super cute. For card number 9, I'm using the cactuses, and I'm just putting my frame down there. And this was an extra piece I had left over from the little tomato card that I made, and I thought it went well with this one. I think this is super cute because the little tall cactus looks like he's trying to run away from the little shorter cactus. The sentiment reads, "You're stuck with me." And then for the final card, number 10, I'm using the little soda pops. And I know you guys have seen this one in a lot of videos because it is adorable. And I just split the card base and put solid on the bottom and the pattern paper on the top. Again, I made my frame. And I popped those little soda cans up there. And this card reads, "I soda think you're cute." And this concludes card number 10. And I had so much fun making these, and there were so many things left over that I will probably do another video trying to do at least 10 more cards if I get a chance. Here is one final look at all 10 cards. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these and you were able to get a little bit of inspiration to make some of your own cards. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day.